Yo, welcome to another video. What's going on? So we got the beef ribeye steak, we got the seasonings, we got the chicken stock, we got a couple plum tomatoes, we got one red onion. So what are we making? We're gonna make beef stew. All right, so first things first, we're gonna chop up this here onion. So we've got our diced tomatoes, and we also got our diced red onions. Next thing we want to do is we're gonna go ahead and mix 2 cups of chicken stock. Okay, so now that we got our 2 cups of chicken stock, we're gonna go ahead and move to the stove and prepare the pan so we can just sear the beef. One and 2. Bang. Move that around. Just like so. So we're gonna let this pan heat up for a little. Don't want to turn it up too high. Do water test. Oh, yeah. That's hot. These are the beef strips that I got. See? They're about that big. Go ahead and put that in there. I think I might even be able to cook my whole supply here. Looks like we have enough. So we should be to ruby. What we want to do right now is we want to brown the beef. Not necessarily cook it all the way, but we want to just brown it. And of course season it some. Italian seasoning. I'm going to go real liberal with this, you know. Real liberal with the Italian seasoning. Boom. Powder. Garlic. Because garlic. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Just a touch of all-purpose. Just a touch. Now we're going to go ahead and mix this up. And we're going to go on for about 6 to 7 minutes. Alright, so a couple minutes has gone by. We'll continue stirring this beef right here. So I didn't actually add any water to this. This could just be the water content in the beef itself. I'm going to say it looks evenly browned all around for now. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this beef out of here and switch it up so we can saute the onions. Go ahead and add back the beef and saute those all together with the beef and onions. Mix them, and I'll toss the tomatoes in there, and then we'll do the stock at the very end. We're going to add the beef right now. Alright, so now that's all mixed together, we can go ahead and grab the tomatoes. And we're going to toss this. I'm not too sure if all the chicken stock's going to fit in it, but let's take a look. This is going to be the first cup. Let's take a look. Okay, that's about halfway. Let's check out the second cup of chicken stock. Ooh, not bad. I think that's perfect, yo. So what we're going to do right now is we're just going to let this simmer. We're going to lower the heat down to like out of 9, we're at 7 right now because we were sauteing, so we're going to lower it down to like 5. We'll just let this simmer with the lid partially on, you know what I mean? But the purpose of cooking it on low heat like this for about 45 minutes to an hour is to slow cook everything completely so that the beef can continue cooking fully and so that all the flavors can sort of infuse and mix together. Okay, so about an hour has gone by. As you can see, this stew has reduced itself to about half of whatever this 6 by 4 inch pan is. This thing is like, the beef is super soft and super duper soft, so it just falls apart like that. So we're gonna go ahead and heat up some rice and plate it and show you what the results are. Alright, so as you can see, I already have some beef stew on here, and I'll show you what the stew looks like. Boom! I know it doesn't look like much, I already stirred it, so let's plate this stuff right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So basically this beef stew has been cooking on simmer, on low, for probably an hour. Yeah, I think it was 20 minutes, then 20 minutes, followed by like another 6 minutes. So it's been simmering for probably 60 minutes. So this is basically the recipe for today. The yellow rice is what we made earlier this afternoon. This beef stew that's on here with the orangey color, that's like a batch from 2 days ago. And this beef right here is a new one. Go ahead, just gonna give myself a little taste test here. Grab some peppers, grab a little bit of beef, a little bit of rice. Check it out. If you made it this far into the video, go ahead and smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications so you can stay tuned for when I drop the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.